KRUPS Grind and Brew Auto Start Maker with Builtin Burr Coffee Grinder, 10 cups, black. 10-cup coffee maker with built-in grinder. Brew great tasting coffee at home. Built-in conical burr grinder grinds beans right before brewing for enticingly rich aroma and full-bodied flavor. No need for a separate grinder. Auto start and keep warm. Schedule the brew cycle to start whenever you want. Great for wake-up coffee. 2-hour keep warm for delicious hot coffee from first cup to last. The glass coffee pot and the filter receptacle must be washed in the upper rack of the dishwasher. Brew pause and precise pouring. No need to wait. Pause and serve function allows for pouring a cup at any time during the brew cycle. Carafe with curved spout ensures drip-free pouring down to the last drop. User-friendly design, intuitive controls and a crystal-clear LCD screen ensure easy programming and use. Removable gold tone filter included for hassle-free cleaning. Note: kindly refer to the user manual provided as a PDF manual in the product description section. Easy customizing, 2 to 10 cup grinder setting for customizing the amount, 5 grind settings, coarse to fine, for choosing the intensity, and brew strength selector with 3 flavor options, mild, medium, and strong. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.